Need to free up space on your iPhone while backing up photos? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos to your computer and delete them from your iPhone in one easy step. Let's get started. Part 1. How to remove photos from iPhone to computer via File Explorer. Connect your iPhone to the PC, open File Explorer, and find the DSIM folder. Select Photos Ctrl+A for all, then use Cut Ctrl+X and paste Ctrl+V to transfer and delete them from your iPhone. Part 2. Remove pictures from iPhone to computer via Photos app. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and open Photos. Select your device under Devices, choose Photos and click Import selected. Check Delete items after import to remove them from your iPhone. Part 3. Remove photos from iPhone to computer with Assistant for iOS. Apps like Photos or iCloud won't let you delete duplicates on Windows. Mobikin Assistant for iOS makes it easy to transfer photos and delete them directly from your iPhone with a preview feature to avoid mistakes. How to empty pictures from iPhone to computer using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone, install, and open the software. Step 2. Select Photos to view all pictures. Step 3. Choose Photos, click Export to save, then Delete to remove them from your iPhone.